हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए नया टॉपिक मौर्य डायनेस्टी। आज पढ़ेंगे हम लोग मौर्य डायनेस्टी के बारे में कि मौर्य डायनेस्टी में कौन कौन शासक हुए। इन 322 BC, Chandragupta Maurya established a new dynasty in Magad, that is was Maurya dynasty, with the help of political teacher Chanakya, also called Vishnugupta. In Puran, Chandragupta Maurya is called Vrishal. Vrishal called do not have family background. He had largest army of the world of his time. In this army there are 6 lakh soldiers. 6 lakh soldiers. Now Chanak become his PM. With Chanak, also called Vishnu, is made a PM in dynasty. His political teacher Kautil write a book related with Mauryan administration या मौर्यन प्रशासन से संबंधित. This book is popular known as economics, but is called a अर्थशास्त्र. इसको अर्थशास्त्र बोलते हैं, पर ये अर्थशास्त्र की पुस्तक नहीं. दिस इज अ पॉलिटिकल बुक. अर्थशास्त्र is चाणक्य is related with Prince of Maurya. Arthashastra books explain about the social status, political status, and economical status of that time. In 305 BC, Commander-in-Chief Alexander attacked on Magad. In this war, Chandragupta defeated Seleucus by imposed, and his daughter Carlia Helena was also house arrested. Chandragupta married with Carlina Helena. She has 2 names, Carlina and Helena, and she was his second wife. ये इसकी दूसरी पत्नी थी. Chandragupta gifted 500 elephant to Seleucus. Chandragupta gifted 500 elephants to Seleucus. Seleucus returned his home with 500 elephants, and he gave his 4 states to Chandragupta was Kabul, Kandahar, Herat, और Makaran. Megasthenes, a great ambassador, also sent Megasthenes, a great ambassador, also sent by Seleucus to Chandragupta, and then he write a book related to social status of India or a Chandragupta era, name called Indica. In 298 BC, Chandragupta adopted joint religions, resigned from his past religion. He went to Karnataka with the joint Bhadrabhahu. Where did he died because a long fasting of 14 days in Sharvavanbilonga in Karnataka. This incident is called Jain religion. Saleh Khan, in he adopted a Jain religion in last year, and he died from fast 14 days fasting, and in Jain religion called Saleh Khan. Bindusar, he is the first boy, the operation boy. He is the first boy to born by operation. He was son of Chandragupta Maurya and Queen Dhundrara. He became king of Magad dynasty in 298. He had 16 wives, 101 children. Bindusar in Greek literature called Amrit Ghat. In Greek literature, Bindusar name is Amrit Ghat. स्लेवर ऑफ एनिमी, दुश्मनों का वध करने वाला. सुसेम वाज हिज एल्डर सन. सुसेम इज हिज एल्डर सन. अशोक वाज सेकंड एल्डर सन. अशोक वाज द गवर्नर ऑफ अवंती at the time of Bindusar. During Bindusar's time, citizens of Takshila revolt 2 times. Both of these were handled by Ashok. Bindusar believed in the Ajvika, which was established by Makhaliputra Goshale. Bindusar announced the Susim to next ruler, a Shashak of Magad. From 273 BC to 269 BC, Ashok killed his 99 brother. Father Bindusar captured the throne. 99 brothers killed and one is small. That's why he is not killed. 101 is on. मतलब total son of Bindusar is 101. Ashoka. In 269 BC, king of Magad, he had spread power of Magad to South India in 8 years of his rule. He attacked in Kaling. Kaling, his modern name is Odisha. After the battle of Kaling, Ashok accepted Buddhism. When he can influence Lady Kaurvaki. He belong to Kaling. He is meet with Kauravaki in the battle of Kaling. Later his wife, 7-year-old Buddha Maurya Nirgrodh, took oath not the touch weapon till death. His first religion teacher was Upgupta. Second is Mogliput During in Patliput, this council was held in Mogliput. Ashok held a third Buddhist council in Patliput 251 BC, and the council, chairperson of this council is Mogliputra Tishya. To promote Buddhism, Ashok sent his son and daughter Mahendra and Sanghamitra to Sri Lanka. He built a stone pillar to promote Buddhism in his state. Total number of pillar edict is 14. In different script, Brahmi, Kharshit, Greek, Irmic, he got information about Kalinga or 13 pillar. The description of Kaling war in 13 pillar. In 8037 AD, James Princip, British historian, become successful to decode Brahmi script. The last king of Mauryan dynasty, Bhadrak, was the last king of Mauryan dynasty, and he is murdered by a Pushpamutra Singh. After his death, his new dynasties create Sunga dynasty. But this chapter in read in next video. Thank you.